In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix the power button delay on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to the settings app on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll down and find this option that says accessibility. If you don't find it, just use the search bar and search for accessibility. Once you do, click it, and it's going to open up this interface for you. On this interface, you have to scroll down until you find this option that says side button. You'll find it under physical and motor. If you don't find the side button option, just go back and use the search bar and search for it. Now go to accessibility and just scroll down and just choose this option that says side button. Once you do, it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you'll see there's this click speed. You probably have set the speed to slowest. You simply have to choose default over here. Once you do so, it's going to adjust the click speed, and now the problem is fixed, and that's how you do it.